Grab your boots and pack your smile. There's a place you've got to see, where the cows go moo and the donkeys too, in a valley wild and free. By the river in the sunshine, hear a cardinal start to sing. Come on down to Scott Jensen's farm, it's a happy nature-filled spring. Hey, hey, it's Jensen's happy cow farm, where the cows are sweet and the birds bring charm. Red cardinals, gray herons, singing nature's song. Everyone loves Jensen's happy cow farm. Hey! See the red cardinals twirling, flashing bright like ruby sparks, while the gray herons glide so gracefully over meadows and river parks. Little calves lie in the clover, donkeys laugh in their silly way, and the ducks waddle proudly in a perfect parade all day. Hey, hey, it's Jensen's happy cow farm, where herons soar and cardinals charm. Take a picture, wave hello, stroll around the barn. Families love Jensen's happy cow farm. Hey! What does the cow say? Moo, moo, moo. What does the donkey say? Hee-haw, hee-haw. What does the cardinal sing? Cheer, cheer, cheer. What does the heron do? Swoosh, glide, whoosh. What does the farm say?
Everyone, welcome to the fun.
Sit beside the flowing river, watch the herons lift and fly. See the red birds flash like lanterns, painting color in the sky. Feed the donkeys, greet the cows, feel the peace the valley keeps. Scott Jensen says this farm is yours, come make memories you'll keep. Hey, hey, Jensen's happy cow farm, where nature sings and hearts feel warm. From the cardinals to the herons, from the cows to every child.